Spice teacher her friend Rashida to talk Patwa, Pretty Rebel and TC have their own reality show, and my artist DJ Whitey team up with Lee Major for this song.
O'Neal make me walk off on a haze. The last time me go down a Maxfield, follow me general go get a record deal. The next thing me know me hear my bone start squeal when me get up and walk me ankle me.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, people, before me start, I want to go down like a brain teaser. I mean, a lot of people might already know this, but I'm posting at the community section today and I just feel like, you know what I mean, a fun for us extend it to the rest of who are listening to that video. So the question of the day is, which high school did Jada Kingdom attend? Right? I know say a lot of people know that, but a lot of people are going to learn. And I might just keep this up depending on, you know what I mean, if you know respond to it or not, right? So at the end of the video, I will tell you now which high school anyway. But people, let's talk about Spice. You know, the Spice always a rep for Jamaica. Big ambassador. Anywhere she go, she always carry the language, the style. She even travel with her food in her suitcase when she go up on tour. But now no touring now go on. So she does teach her friend them from Love and Hip Hop, or at least one friend Rashida, how to talk Patwa, and I have the video for sure now. So let's take a look at the video real quick. Here goes.
Okay, Patwa lesson. So Wagwan.
Wagwan.
You see me I deal with?
You see me I deal with?
Right through.
Right through.
Big up yourself. Now say it in English. I told you what it means.
Bitch, you know what it is.
You know what time
That's
it is.
all it is.
Big up yourself. Bad girl Rashida.
Bad girl Rashida.
Yeah, man, long live the queen. Big up Queen Spice. You see me, she are going with herself. People, she also drop a tune with Neo and Charlie Blacks. Now it's a remix. You see me? So, you can check out that tune them. The song is called Over Again Remix. And like I said, it's Neo and Charlie Blacks and Spice up on the song. And we also wait on the album too. You see me? I say, we didn't think it all drop in a March, but she said on April 30th, we are get the triple S, right? I want to already figure out that Spice, Sean Paul, and Shaggy, right? So, big tune. It sounds like a big tune. Me, I look forward to it. You see me? So, people, let's talk about the brand new group we call PTR, and that's Pretty, TC, and Rebel. It look like them have them own reality show coming, and I don't sound produce it or them responsible for it. So, I'm going to show a little teaser where them make. Here goes.
Welcome to we are do that.
So right now, I don't know like a whole lot about the show and the structure and how it go and what it's about. But we know it's a reality show, right? So it's going to be reality or something close to reality, because we don't know how reality thing go nowadays. You see me? But we know it's a TC, Rebel, and Pretty. So we know it's a be a craziness. I go on, people. We already know them still, right? But I have another piece of video with Pretty. So I want to show you that, and then we talk about some of the expectation them, or at least my expectation them, and ask you know what you feel. So let's take a look at that video with Pretty.
My mother is a mess. I sure about the money. What money me I go send her? Oh my God. Jesus! Yes, mommy.
No, I say try send me money, but I think about $100.
Me I go send you the money. Yo! Me I go send you the money.
I choose that. Maybe I give it that money.
Okay, mommy, I'm going to send you the money. When me land, me can't send it now.
Oh, where I go send it? To your phone?
Western Union, anything.
People, I wonder if I just me or a Rebel that did up on the phone. Well, she say her mom, what do you think though? Wanna tell me down in the comment section. But people, like me say, I don't know why I go on for the show. I don't know if that a part of the show, but when I did see it have the down sound link and everything. So Me don't know people, they tell me what to expect from a reality show with TC, Pretty Pretty and Rebel. And who I got tune in, you know, tell me down in the comment section if you now tune in. Me expect beer fun, laughter, madness like how they do on Instagram all the time. You see what I say? However, it's a reality show, so more serious things might go on. Me don't know, tell me.
I them for no see the original Whitey, the lyricist. Me a general know say the boy O'Neal make me walk off my shoes heel.
Yo, the same thing me a say, and I just start to shaman no dirt, you know. I see me make me walk off my boot heel, you know. And everybody start laughing, you know. The Whitey are the lyricist, you know.
So the one see me go on. You soon see all the next man pull up in a hot rider ask for her again. Hot foot, you know. If I see her out there, you can see she hot foot, man.
Yo, Simil. Yo, sexy Simil. Man, ready, you know.
Yo, she not there, you know. Down up on the road with her next man.
Next man. Yo, I'm gonna take one for clown, you know. How kind of things a man walk off them boat here? Yo.
Them man, they are real girl play,
Whitey are the lyricist, you know.
Me a you know how my feel.
So this is the Don't Laugh official music video and it's DJ Whitey and Lee Major. So people, me just glad to see Whitey do the work. She a sing song, she have a video, so let's get into it.
Don't laugh, or you know how me feel. I'm busting no dance, pop off your boat heel. Yo, step to the right and then to the left. Miss Kitty call me and I say, oh, she vex. She in the studio, she can't bust a sweat. She give me send the tune, go give Rad machete.
Some know someone can tell says a dancing tune scene, which is surprising because we don't know Whitey for them kind of song ya. You see me, I said the straight lyrics, but we're gonna get into it and hear how she deal with it.
I connect, me step in at the bus and everybody start laugh. How me booty long like a shovel mouth sharp. A woman ball out.
Driver, let me have.
Me have two barrel if you go clear down a wharf. A man bust the dancing boo boo till pop off. Rapper crapper, me crocodile tail. Which part them find it a down a bus park? White tip this a dancer sell off. A man broke the rule and must a laugh. In the killer hungry and craft.
O'Neal. When I got some left O'Neal, man. O'Neal.
DJ Whitey, O'Neal just gone with the next guy. Yo, Whitey, for real.
Yo, let's shut him up, man. Chat him up. Go down there, yard. Go, sir.
Don't laugh, cause you don't know how I feel.
Yeah, people, someone know hear Lee Major part. You saw me, I say, my big up rapper crapper, Mackerel, him say, Miss Kitty, Rad Machete, Candy War, Wally name in call. You see me, I say, but here what Whitey has.
The last time me go down a Maxfield. Follow me general, go get a record deal. The next thing me know, me hear my bone start squeal. When me get up and walk, me ankle make a wheel. Me say, Jesus Christ, no, this can't real. Me a go left foot less car, this can't heal. Lord, me foot turn like a meal. So me have to drop that one, cause it tougher than a steel. Me say,
don't laugh, or you know how me feel.
So people, very nice and colorful video. I'm a love to see the community come out and support both artists. You see me, I say this are from St. Thomas. You know what I mean? That's so she forward from, and me would imagine say that's so Lee Major forward from too.
Pay 1 night meal, so wind up your body and move like a heel. I'm must say no dance, pop off the boat heel. Whitey ball out, this a style ya for real. Mary shout out, it's not a big deal. Tomorrow morning we can buy 2 heels. So Bird Federal, me say the thing it reveal. Ben and Keisha walk off them boat heel. Me say 3 boat heel.
3 boat heel.
Don't laugh, don't laugh, don't laugh. Don't laugh, don't laugh, don't laugh, don't laugh.
you don't know how I feel, you don't know how I feel. So don't laugh, cause you don't know Whitey feel. My rant be I don't know how I feel. Technical don't know how I feel. Seafood don't know how I feel. Happy Grove don't know how I feel.
So on the year Whitey, I big up the whole of the East Side school them. So on the listen out for no school if she's shouting out. And talking about school, at the beginning of the video, I asked what school Jada Kingdom went to, and the answer is Vauxhall, right? So big up Jada. Now people, my overall views on that video, you see me I say good effort, you see me I say because I just want to see Whitey keep it moving and keep doing music. You see me I say she'll get more and more opportunity, and big up to Lee Major, you see me I say if you team up with her on the one. So people no get in the comment section and tell me what you feel about it. You saw me I say, and big up everybody, thanks for watching. Big up DJ Whitey. You saw me I say, wanna stay safe out there, I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi!